Hey guys, welcome to Tariq Abdel Photo. In this 1-minute lesson, we'll be flipping the second and third clip that you just watched horizontally so that all of the clips go from left to right, making the series of clips a lot more cohesive. What this effectively does is it gives a continuous sense of movement. It will make the viewers feel like they're constantly moving forward. In short, it helps any video project flow a lot better and feel a lot more seamless. The easiest way to do this in Premiere Pro is to head over to the effects panel, type the word flip into the search box, then drag the horizontal flip effect onto both clips that need to be flipped. And there you have it. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for other creatives to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.